Valencia Taipan Hotel and Restaurant is a 3-star hotel here in Valencia City, Bukidnon, which also one of the best accommodation, service and hospitality. And the ambience of the restaurant are good also in their garden hall in the restaurant in Taipan. As for their food, much better to taste all of their food. It's because the taste and the aroma of food are so very good, and you can blame them because it's very tasty and above all it's clean. One of my favorite food in Taipan is beef steaks. It's because so tender and delicious. Even in their fine dining, you can experience the good service, and also the food is good as always and clean. But much important is the good hospitality they provide in their guests. Why I am choosing Taipan Hotel and Restaurant, it is because I'm already working there for a short time only, and I observed that the staff or the crew and the workplace are good in service and hospitality. The staff and crew are provided good hospitality and service in a guest, so in other. I encourage everyone to dine in at Taipan Hotel and Restaurant in Valencia City, Bukidnon, to experience the good service they provide, and also food taste, dining experience, and the best hospitality of the staff and crew. So what are you waiting for? So visit Taipan Restaurant in Valencia City, Bukidnon.
Taipan Restaurant is located at Sayri Highway, Valencia City, Bukidnon. The new Hotel Valencia. Here are some review of Taipan Hotel.